Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about pop instruction in 8085 microprocessor. Now this instruction reads the data present at the top of stack. And now this instruction is written as pop RP. Here RP stands for register pair. Now this instruction reads the data present at the top of stack. This instruction takes 1 byte of memory, 3 machine cycle and 10 T-states. And now let's say at location 6400H we write an instruction pop D. Now this instruction copies the data present at the top of a stack to DE register pair. And now this is our 8085 microprocessor containing all the basic units and registers. And now comes memory starting from location 6400H. At memory location B009 we have a value 40, and at memory location B00A we have a value 50, and at location B00B we have a value 60. And now this is our instruction pop D. Let's say initially stack pointer is B009 and program counter contains the address of the instruction, that is 6400H. Then instruction register goes to the location 6400H and fetch the instruction, that is pop D. And now this process is called opcode fetch. After opcode fetch, the instruction is decoded in the instruction decoder. Then the data at memory location B009 gets copied to register E. Then stack pointer gets incremented by 1 and becomes B00A. Then the data at memory location B00A gets copied to register D. After this, stack pointer gets incremented by 1 and becomes B00B. Then program counter gets incremented by 1 and becomes 6401. Now thanks for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe our channel.